Hello everybody, it's been a while since I made a video. You like my little homemade signs? That's the best I can do for now. But I'll show you inside. Now they got some more stuff in here anyway. I haven't rented these out yet for people to display things. But, and the trees are being saved for somebody back there. So there's my little counter area. And my daughter-in-law gave me that to paint. And I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna use it. And that's a bookshelf me and my mom made. And I'm renting out the shelves. So I got a lady that's rented that and that. And I had to buy a whole bunch of shears because the sun, whew, it was coming in. It was rough. But well, we'll go down this side. Okay, this one's a lot of Christmas decorations now. So she'll have like knickknacks and stuff once Christmas is over. And these people make some awesome lamps. They're about all sold out. And so she had to bring in some stuff today to kind of fill it up because so many of them sold last week. Awesome. Let me cut this and I'll show you. Is that pretty or what? Ooh. Okay. But well, I'll show you how full it is now. Now this lady, she's had hers a while, she just can't get time to get here and fill it up. So it's filling up. It's looking like a store. Oh, my keys are clanking. I always forget to take them off my belt loop. So okay, we went this far, so there's my desk. And then this lady makes a lot of signs. And this is their little Christmas sign section mostly. And this lady does kind of like, I guess you call it folk art? I don't know. And I bought all the shears that Walmart had, this Walmart. So I got a few more I gotta get. That's a lot of windows, I think 27. And then this person makes like hot chow chow. She got some black walnuts. She makes like zucchini bread and spiced bread, and she's got her own little business too. But she's got to get some more things going. Okay, and then here's one of the little booths. Hey. And look at